Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, my people. Now, good evening. Oh, how not day? Happy Sunday to you all. Let it go. Now they come Italy again. Yes, I want to come Italy again. Paris people, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, hey. Paris people, how not day? Waiting they play. We are not ready because Takao don't dey road though. I don't they come. I don't they come. Well, they say why you never come since you just dey London, you just dey flex yourself. You money don't waste well, eh? Ni your mother said they show many what Buhari ma elele oh you don't want gada eh mind the waste you say the man any here relax you din an kere na woni here relax you din an kere na oh yan na ka bog gbe me say yeah na oh yan na ka bog you bo me say France people. No more Torino, no more Torino, no more Torino. So France, are we ready? I'll be coming by the special grace of God by this week. By this week, I'll be coming on the 28th. On the 28th. Make una not forget. Make una not forget to open a door buy a ticket. Because you wanna see for Ireland. And Manchester and London. That is a tip of a nice bag. That one a small thing, chinkele, because I'm going to be coming with a different dimension. Like, what not they expect? Not the Insta. I don't want to show. Oh, Rafatu, Lua Sandy. It's okay, stop crying, mama. Yeah, Spain is confirmed. Seal is a deal. Spain already, we don't confirm that one since who know that we chop the money finish. Whether I never chop money for Spain. That Spain money, who know whether we never finish for London here. We got low, man. Spain is confirmed, Madrid. Anyway, any seal or any work back boy. But Paris now. Now we refer they talk about because now their own be the first. Now Paris show be the first. As I they land, the next show where they play as I they enter that France now Paris show. So we need to emphasize on it very well. If you know say you never buy your ticket, call First OZ. Now no one our popular musician now, that fine boy. First OZ. Make una call am. E number still dey there. I put am for this very live video. So e number dey there. If you know say you never buy your ticket, call your number for there. Make you buy your ticket. And the poster when they post since the hall don't change. Don't change the hall because due to the way they set tickets, the hall where we first carry not go contain people. You understand? So you know say. You don't need to call. I don't know that if you pick your call. May I pick hello? Epa, mundia orene, ni mune. So we not expect, like we not open wide put say we expect too much people, so we can't carry small hall. But people now come out to let us know say the love is massive. They love me, they love Sister Caro. They want to see Sister Caro. So the way that they go about the ticket, the way the sales on ticket they go, the hall not go contain. You understand? So we come out to change the hall. The address now don't change. You understand? So the new hall where they can go carry, the address still did this live video. So the address did there. You see am for there. But if I not fit pronounce am well, Mona manager. He made those. He had to speak a French mawa. Voulez-vous bosser? C'est bon. Ça va bien merci. He had those. But what they get many years the French they all even there. I'm as the French they not gain. So they knew her. Naya Muna, the address. Let me speak French. Is number 17. Bole, wagian e bolero bole. Bole wine bole roasted bole. E bole ni Anthony wenwe. Wa so kiana roast have cocoa yam, have roasted plantain by in roasted plantain only ate bole yoba. So e na ni agbe show you yoba nya street now because ni na agbe your way bole abi wagian kota bolet boulevard de la libération. Oh, too much. Iwatie kale kwa boulevard. Oh, bole. Oh, ave boulevard. Ve bole wa Boulevard de la Libération, number 17. It's very close to Saint Denis. Denis.
Yes, Denis, yeah.
Okay, where Denis? It's sarcastic, where Denis. What I don't magba what I don't make what it's huh?
DJ Bongo.
Jakatona phone, eme bole atana, chashak. Ogbe di address ye ba ne shashaki no ga owe number 17 bole agave bole 17 upo na ve bole ni so owe ba ni e ma hana we di show obege ege mari emi gbe beteri o tale bua imaga izerie akala to kekebe ogede na to ya leyin no to yo wa ego ni fi wala wa leyin no wa to yo eyin gbe aga wa gbara fun ni maya aja agbera mi ga si wa bedere wo iwe saka no wa vale wa ewe yin to izale wa bole. Yes, that's a place where the show is going to be taking place. So please, if you know say your house fast more quick come off for house. I know one waiting happen for Manchester, may it come happen for France. He said him be now when he go avie. Ike go one so many was so inve. Edere ime wa ime avie. O mala wa drive from very far. Kiye ka was yo no space again. No space. No be again ya lawa. The woman was just crying. We can drive video there regbe. You understand? So imao ne baby don't need those sunu ndo we yawa se get you the ticket so wo gani ya ga bole phone so wo so urere wa the ticket when near tie festo z no the ticket so we wa David there ohun ma kwerere wa yo de we city woman na vere ogbo ma be mo city we setting gbi na yimoro ma ya mu gbi na no the ticket you so that what they who are you doing we city work when so that we get to that here if I know that today something no do like that, buy your ticket. God bless you. Thank you so much, Paris people. I love you guys. You guys are wonderful. We go carry small like that, say we don't know where the guys mama come on ticket he won't finish or the hall not go reach now 4:40 we take car go they find her. The way they say respond Paris people now too much. Now God will bless you now. Wa yopa wa manu wa eva wa manu wa and wario boy you have dino den wa. Iya we ne hoyeta wa ya de ticket o ye go. God bless you. And Berlin. Berlin. Even if wa kele dans a city no e confirm ni mu egbe yes. Iya only a receive Esther when you wa kelen wa make na so that woman na he kenu ye won we in mam we gbe so we ya rule now that's why he like train no why he like plane no no check no we seek we say we na no ade or to we I find a solution or where e mani we show we wani ni ma e mu egbe ni we I giant we starting where Astakaro must come. So listen, Berlin, get ready. Why we Berlin we je umaide
DJ Bongo Bongo.
umaide de ticket we try call it DJ Bongo Bongo. Abi? DJ Bongo Bongo. Yes, DJ Bongo Bongo will be live and direct in that hall that day. Waona DJ Bongo Bongo popular demand in nobody no everybody know abumbo na that be day when DJ Bongo Bongo na no na watie oreba be derio be Berlin ugaenwe prepare for US tour too. Okay. Adio, no problem. Baba God dey do one. Why will my day ticket you the date for the Berlin? On the 10th. Berlin on the 10th. On the 10th, or working. Date for Berlin is on the 10th. Yes, on the 10th. Then Ratigen na de wono na weje ijemi here we rati ekini rati na ka bobu wa de vedere wa eri ihe ima o le rati ri o ma ro pa mo oke pa mi ku ni Ratigen ewoni wa bi he we o ma e de ticket una e we wonu je ya de ticket we and a number no wa here call already the poster. No cause I no get Gemina. No ban wa here call already the poster. So very simple. When we call the number, here the ticket to you only arrange with Sister Carol. Then okay, a Ratigen now on a guy Saturday 11th September. Okay. Okay, Berlin na guy Friday 10th of September. Then okay Ratigen na guy Saturday 11th of September. Then in Madrid, if you Madrid, Madrid na Sunday 19th of September. If you Madrid, na Sunday 19th of September. There na Amsterdam na 25th of September, which is on Saturday 25th of September on Amsterdam. Then a Torino ni Marati we Torino. Then it's like so on my banners, on my clear, So ye Torino wa try wa get clear. To beg nani on my clear say so ye Torino wa la wo try. Italy as a whole. Italy it may not even be Torino. Torino. It can be anywhere in Italy. So if Italy now, Italy is not among now at all. So why you with Sister Corona? Why fall in my hands? Why fall in my leg? Yeah, I think but why fall in my hand? So why fall in my hand? So Italy as a whole now. Wow, egata, onegata mogao iyo. Onegata mogao awa egata mogao, wa ege ewo no ne ovie moto, ivio moto bi se oba no gedo ewo ni bi eje aho esun na. Wa zio, segbe kokonu wa zio. Na me we anywhere no really dey your home area to know. At least Italy near now we amade de we show Italy after o ma work wala wo Marciamo TV who de Sylvester o wa yo gwa ita agari abasi nu wa believe ba he wa ke la Ratigen Buhari. If I dey stay first come tell me say ayo the lace why we come they don shook or put I no fit to. So Napoli, they write Napoli, from the right Torino. Paris don't try, they try. Paris they do well. Why we award or a Europe or different from award or a UK. Why? So now when me again now I do me where a Paris or more award or a Europe now because in a ballo didn't a bag boy. Hey, say me I come to Milano. No, the deal. Ye Jamie wa be ya but I gana why I'm over keep. I will jere me my have me a live video now. I will time. So anywhere and one artist Karo ware hono Roma o hono guy Torino no guy Milano. Anywhere one artist me I did there. Then a month we Belgium and we are the ticket to Belgium and the ticket to a ticket here because even we show a Belgium my Matie. So it's China when worry last in there where I will talk about it on my live video when it's a Belgium where mommy ticket a Belgium there. Even in Belgium, they have not called for, you know, so that is that. Then for that Rome, how will I explain it? There's no show for me in Rome there. A show Rome, not there. So Italy as a whole, I never get show for there. I never get show for Italy. So that is to say, if I don't have any show there as a personal show, I will not be coming. Not mine. I will not be coming to Italy. If I not get my personal show, say I want to do show, I know they come Italy. So the ones we ready, we don't tax their own. I need to focus on them. I'll help them to be doing adverts, and I'll help them to at least help them to promote the show so that people will be aware. Okay. The one you are seeing there, I'm a guest artist there. Maybe I just reach there, just come enjoy myself, just come stroll around. Now they see that Rome advert that they put me in a dope festival. I they come there. If I come there, they come as guest artists. You know what to be guest artist now? Guest artist now. Maybe I'll come, just relax. I'll come they give me things. They flex myself. I'll they enjoy myself. You understand? I'll just come there, come enjoy myself that day. So that is it. As it be said, that one now waiting consign. Now waiting consign our kingdom. Now waiting consign our great palace. Now Edo festival something. So I know if you say I know will come. So I will try as much as possible. I will try as much as possible to be there, just to come and show my face so that people are Lady of Song. She come. Do you understand? Just to show my face. So say personal show. I never get show for Italy as a whole. So please make una try. Make una try. Make una put heads together. Doro cash. Make we organize. Make we for organize and wear. Make una for see me. You know, go say as I will just come Europe, I not go Italy never with your man, no you're there. So no nah. Joseph, I say you must single. I never know. At least my presence is still something now. Abi, my presence a big thing. Based on saying our Benin kingdom, my your boy at Temu. So if there is time for me, no problem. No say many artists they come. Many artists they come there. Many from Nigeria, from diaspora, everywhere. So if there is time for me to like throw away one track for now, I will see throw away one for now. The time not see the no problems, but at least my presence matters a lot. So Paris people, now on the 28th, make una not forget, on the 28th, yes, of this month where we did so, on the 28th, which is next Saturday, on the 28th, that be next, as many they talk now, today na Sunday. So the show na next Saturday. That is this Saturday where they come. Today na Sunday now. This next Saturday where they come. So now be the show for Paris. Okay, you gonna call me. Meg Ojoy. This is your first time. And it's not going to be your last. You will not regret it. You'll call me. Call my WhatsApp. You'll call me mama. Or inbox me. Then we'll discuss and we'll talk. Miss Jennifer Bestie. Not be my fault. So. Okay, now Spain will carry the Europe Award. Okay, oh, no problem. On the 17th of which month? On the 17th of which month? On the 17th of which... Yes, let me not forget to still appreciate my people because a show now and the way I am here, I've been down since I play Manchester show. I've been down. I don't feel like the co way day here not be not be here. Co see day where. So after that show, I was down. Cough, headache, malaria. I can't just, but I thank God I'm okay now. So all my social media presenters, if I don't mention your name, not me say you not do well for me. Nothing can like that. I beg, I use God to beg everybody. If lady or son don't mention people, you don't mention my name. If you say I forget, because I dey see wetin una dey do for me, I dey see am. Na my God na go reward una. Me I no go fit pay back. Na my God na go reward una. All social media presenters from Edo State, God will bless you all. God will reward you all. In fact, where would the waka they go? Where? Kere no. I told by egbe then iyobona unegbe fo. Iyobona unegbe fo. Aume ibe unu au mebe unu saloba negi ma we yobo dan egbe yobo no ma we yama ma hianga unegbe hian because e bono create egbe na we na ya we yobo negbe we no ma e do hianga je ni ma ya fefe. All social media presenters, may God bless you all. I love you all. Mama Gladys ko ye nije boko nije WSJ ibege Manchester Day. What you still did, God will bless you. Rita Ayemiomo, you who called me yesterday, say people want to buy a ticket for Paris, and they see the way Paris show they go, people they call. God will bless you, ma. I love you so much. God will bless you. I forgot to mention Atiti, Prophet Atiti. The other time, I forgot to mention your name, Prophet Atiti. God bless you, sir. God bless you. All social media presenters, all of you from A to Z, you guys are really done wonderfully well. You guys have really done wonderfully well. What's his name? Enoge Priceless. Not Enoge Priceless. Yes. God bless you, brother. I saw it. You posted my poster. God bless you. Umewa talk show never see rest. Till now, so they talk na my people like Berlin. And na Berlin. On every day what in now. You see day profile picture till now. Umewa talk show. See today as they talk. Omaye mu eyin. See there. Dada Masisi. See there. Stainless DJ Kubana. You too much. Lolo talk show. You too much. Now God will bless you. God will bless you, mama. Aproko, the Godfather. He is a low. Anyway, they show now. You are dying now. Anything we drop, they always a post. Wait till I want to say thank you now. No, back. I need. I say thank you now. Is it? It may not moment, but now only God. Now go reward all of you now. Individual, we see they post, even if you are not a blogger, individual, and they see all of you now. The one with after they do comedy, skits, some the one when I see, I will see share am. If I don't see share your own, I beg. No verse say I just follow lady of some do advert. She not even fit share am, she not even fit thank me. Lao. If I not see am, you fit bring am to my notice. If you send and give me, I go post am. Please, my beautiful people of Edo State, may God bless you all, and I love you all. I love you all. talk to you, I bring cream come. Many people don't see pay for Italy. We say I will see bring for them. I use big bag take away cream come. I see they sell for people for UK things, and as I dey come, e still dey. As I dey come Europe now, e still dey. I see they bring they come. I see they bring they come. So even some pay today now, they even pay say me I dey bring come Italy, but I tell them say I dey come Italy. I tell them. So I don't know say Italy people never ready like that. But even though say na Spain I dey, even though say na Paris I dey, I can post from there. I can post from there to wherever you are in Italy. So there's no big deal, no problem. So I can post from there. No me, not buy. As far as say I don't enter Europe, I go from anywhere where I dey post and give you. So that's not a problem. You can still order your own.